Good day, year ones. Get your activity back out and open up on Thursday's first English activity. So, for today's activity, all you have to do is look at the picture and draw a line to the matching word. Okay, so you draw a line from the picture to the correct word. Okay, so we've got tin, we've got a jam jar, we've got a girl running, a run, we've got a hat. So draw a line from the matching picture to the word. Then we move on to some maths. All you have to do for this activity is find the word in the word search puzzle. That's it. So you can use a pencil, color pencil, Monami, you decide. You can use different colors, you can use one color. It is up to you. So all you have to do is find the word in the word search. Okay, and then for our next math activity, all you have to do is make the cell addition to 10. Okay, so 2, and then you count onwards. 3, 4, 5, because it's 2 plus 3 gives you 5. So you'll write your answer in that box. 3 plus 1 equals 2, and you write your answer. 5 plus these 3 equals 2, and you write your answer. Okay. That is what you have to do for today's maths, and that is all you have to do for today's maths. So I'll be back tomorrow with your English and maths for tomorrow.